Hello everyone. In this video you will learn how to clone a WordPress website. First, log in to the WordPress dashboard of the site you want to copy. Go to Plugins, then click Add New. In the search bar, type All-in-One WP Migration. Find the plugin, click Install Now, then Activate. Once the plugin is active, go to the left menu and click on All-in-One WP Migration. Choose Export. On the Export page, click the green Export to button and choose File. The plugin will now create a backup file of your full website. When the export is done, click the Download button to save the file to your computer. Now go to the WordPress site where you want to copy the content. Log into its dashboard, go to Plugins, Add New, and install All-in-One WP Migration again. Activate the plugin. This time, go to the Import option under All-in-One WP Migration. Click Import From and choose File. Upload the backup file you saved earlier. When the upload is complete, the plugin will warn you that importing will replace the current site. Click Proceed if that's what you want. Wait for the process to finish. Your new site will have the same pages and settings. This is a quick and simple way to clone a WordPress website without using code or database tools. Thanks for watching.